So we have a very beautiful patient here. She's coming back for her 6-week follow-up. And I'm just going to let her kind of tell you her story. Just, Jeannie, tell me first of all what was going on with you and kind of your history regarding your knees.
I've had arthritis in my knees I've been treating it for like 15 years. But 10 years ago, I started with the shots, and they were all right for a while, but nothing touches this, because I cannot tell you how pain-free I am. The procedure was 2 hours. It was practically pain-free. I was on a walker for a week, but after a few days I really didn't need it. And I've been doing physical therapy for 6 weeks. I am pain-free. I'm walking, I'm climbing stairs. I'm doing everything that I hoped I would be doing, and I cannot thank Dr. Gonzalez enough and his staff for everything. To be pain-free is amazing.
You're amazing.